Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Please excuse the way that I sound. I'm still a little under the weather. I am getting better, so that's a good thing. But I am, still a little sick. But I wanted to record this video for you guys, so please excuse the way that I sound. And I was contacted by the company Betty Cora. So I was actually able to choose a few sets, and then they were nice enough and sent me over a few other sets that they chose. If you're interested, I will be leaving information to these products or any of the Betty Cora products in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. I do have to say that Betty Cora does have some really cute press-on sets. Should they maybe go up in size? I don't know. I gotta check these out a little bit more because I was looking through them a little bit and I could tell that there were lots of different sizes. Are the sizes gonna fit me? I'm not sure. They do seem to run a little small, but I guess we'll see. And because my nails were already done, I cannot try these out on my hands or my fingernails, but I will be able to once I get these off. If you go on over to the website, there are so many different press-on designs, shapes that you can choose from. If you go on over to their website, there are so many designs and shapes that you can choose from. Each set does come with a little prep kit, so there is a tube of glue, there is a cuticle wooden stick, there are 2 alcohol pads, and there's also a little mini file. Oh, and also there are some glue tabs. I really do love their packaging. I love from the box that the press-on tips come in. I love the ombre, blue, and pink kind of cotton candy baggies. I just love the packaging. Now these right here. I love this set. Not only do I love the set because it's beautiful, I love the design. I love the way that they put the press-on sets in this container. I just love the look, the aesthetic of it. Look at the strength on these nails. Look at that. They're really strong. These 2 sets that I'm going to be showing you are probably my favorite too, although I didn't choose them. I have not seen press-on sets like this from a company, a major company, like a bigger company. I've never seen press-on sets look like that, so I'm very surprised. Look at these. These are gorgeous. So wait for the camera to focus. These are cat eye, and I love the colors so much. This is actually one of my favorite colors. Look at this. Can we talk about the quality? The quality is there. I love the strength in these nails. Now I do have to say that these 2 sets that I just showed you are a little bit different in strength than the press-on sets in the black boxes. Yeah, the quality is definitely there. These are so beautiful. Love that they thought to put the press-on sets in these packages. I have seen sets in packages or in these little boxes before, and I just thought that they looked so cute. They kind of look like they're in a picture frame, and I love that look. So they did send a few more press-on sets. Once again, please be sure to check the description below because I will leave all the information to where you can find these press-on sets and more on their website. Now I love these press-on sets so much. They're super cute. This one is really cute. I love the different shades of pinks that they used in this press-on set, and I also love the shape of this set. Love that second one. It was flowered. I know it was kind of quick there. And then this one is a one that I chose with the rainbows. Super cute. fun and perfect for the summer. And also I love this lemon set here. This is another one that I chose, and I just thought that it was so super cute. Once again, I wanted to apologize for the way that I sound, but I wanted to create content for you guys, and I just wanted to make sure that I had something for you guys. So I thought that I thought that it was more important to create content for you guys and try to sound the best that I can. And believe you me, I was a lot worse. So this is, I'll take this. Betty Cora, thank you so much for sending me these press-on sets. I think they're so super cute and adorable and beautiful. And I can't wait for you guys to try out some sets for yourself. Make sure you check out the description below to be able to find more Betty Cora products. So I will leave that in my description. And also I will be choosing 2 of these press-on sets to go along in my second giveaway that I'm going to be having. If you are not subscribed, be sure to subscribe down below to make sure that you can be entered in that giveaway. I'm not sure when that second giveaway is going to be, but I will be making sure to let you know and keep you up to date on all of the information. So be on the lookout for that. And I wanted to say thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you all watching. I hope that you subscribe down below. Make sure to hit that thumbs up if you liked this video. And leave a comment below if you would like to leave any information, any questions, anything at all that you'd like to ask. Please be sure to leave that down in the comment section. I wanted to slow the video down a little bit just so that you can see some of the press-on sets a little bit better.